Need to turn a stack of documents into a presentation but don't have hours to create slides? In this video, I'll show you how to use Generate Presentation, an all-new tool that is now in Acrobat Studio and powered by Adobe Express. With it, you can instantly turn your files into a professional presentation in minutes. Come on, let's check out how. Start by clicking Generate Presentation from Acrobat Home. Next, enter a prompt to describe the presentation. Here I'm asking it to create a professional presentation for new hires that summarizes my HR onboarding materials. From here, you can add a mix of file types, including PDFs, documents, text files, and even past presentations. You can now fine-tune the settings, adjust the length, detail level, and target audience, which automatically updates based on the content you just added. Next, we can choose a professionally designed template that fits your style. Acrobat will generate an intelligent outline based on your documents. You can review the structure, edit bullet points, and reorder slides before the final generation. And just like that, the presentation is created. This is a great starting point you can now customize or fine-tune. The key insights are already here in your design. If you want additional slides, simply click Add Page, type in your content, and let AI generate the layout and enhance text for you. Now we can make visual changes and final edits like rewriting text. Using the Rewrite tool, we can change the length or tone, making it more professional, inspirational, or casual. Finally, let's share our work. When we're ready, we can present directly or download the presentation as a PDF or PowerPoint and even share with others. Creating a presentation went from hours to minutes, with Acrobat helping me craft a clear narrative and design. With Generate Presentation, you can go from docs to decks in minutes. Spend less time formatting and more time focusing on what counts. And remember, you can do that with Acrobat.